Like the description, I'm mounting a performance diffuser on a F31 facelift. This one, and it's not OE performance diffuser, it's an aftermarket, but it will do. And you got a total amount of, let's see, 2 bolts over there, 3 in the middle, and 2 extra bolts there. So 7 bolts, 8 mil and 10 in the middle. So I'm gonna place you on a tripod and let you see the procedure. As I said, 2 here, and also 2 on the left side. Three 10 millimeters. Just pull it backwards towards you. There you go. And it's off. Once you have mounted it in the reverse procedure, just make sure that the clips, the top, is sealed in. As you can see, I have the Towbar, so I'm gonna show you that it works with this diffuser. It will be very close on the cables, but it will work. There you have it. It doesn't go back. It's like a millimeter, not even that far from the Towbar. But the connection is alright. Yeah, so there you have it, the mounting of the performance diffuser.